because of I didn't get the intern. There's a lot of reasons why to get into that legal culture, right? I would say that you possibly, like I said, need to intern or have a some type of a sponsor or something to get up in there. That's how I see it. You know what I mean? But anyway, I'm still going. I'm still looking. However, I'm creating my own business with that skill. So, if you want to, if you have been incarcerated or been going through the judicial system, and you need help understanding the process and some legal and some, some you got some questions I can answer, some things I won't be able to. I will not be able to give you legal advice. You know, I won't be able to give you legal advice, but I can definitely, help you to understand and give you some knowledge, give you some information. Now, it's important to have the law under you because, like I say, a lot of things you could use the law for if you involved with that. Like, if you're going through that type of situation with the law. So anyway, that I graduated. We're starting, so now I'm starting to do set aside convictions, a lot of post conviction remedies, which is the set aside conviction after you've been incarcerated and you did your time, you paid your fines. Now you're ready to set your conviction aside, get the second chance certificate. If you have paid all your fines and you're done with all of that and you've been out of prison for a little while, depending on your matter or depending on your case number or what type of case you have, whether it's dangerous or not, will depend on when you're ready to get your rights restored. That's another thing, right? Now, they passed a law maybe a couple of years back about marijuana usage. If you have marijuana charges, you may be able to get those charges expunged because of that retroactive law. I think it's a retroactive law 207, Prop 207, and it's basically saying that, hey, marijuana is legal now. We can expunge your stuff. We can expunge some of your marijuana stuff. You know what I mean? If it meets certain criteria. Next is after that, you'll seal your records. Why not? Let's knock it all out. So basically, you'll set them aside, restore your rights, sponge, seal your record, man, off top, man. Now, does any of this stuff help you in the long run? Well, set aside